welcome to Sesame Lane Flinders Parade. As with all gatherings, we begin by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land on which we meet today, and I pay my respects to the elders past and present. I extend that respect to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples here today within our service. The foundations of our service is based upon relationships, which begin the moment the people walk through the door, creating a strong sense of belonging through ambience and aesthetics. Each day starts with warm greetings and ends with well wishes, making everyone feel welcome from arrival to departure. We strive to create an environment that is not only warm and welcoming to parents when they enter the service, but also where they feel valued and respected. Building strong relationships with families and children is at the core of all we do. We are committed to uphold the United Nations Convention Rights of a Child. Play is respected as an important part of children's learning. We embody the saying, it takes a village to raise a child, serving as that supportive village for our children, families, and the broader community.
Whether a child dreams of becoming a doctor, a nurse, a teacher, or a firefighter, they are supported and empowered to chase their ambitions with determination and courage. The possibilities are endless in this environment of support and encouragement, where every child is celebrated for who they are and who they aspire to be, and every day holds a little magic and wonder.
Working with children, seeing their smiles, building relationships and nurturing them to unlock their potential is so rewarding. We foster inclusiveness, acknowledging and celebrating our differences, ensuring an understanding of each other, deepening our bonds. Through this, we build a learning environment that is supportive, encouraging and respectful of diversity for a meaningful learning journey together.
The connection we have formed with the children at Sesame Lane Flinders Parade is truly special. It brings a sense of accomplishment and pride knowing that we have made a positive impact in their lives. The connection doesn't stop when children graduate kindergarten. We are there every step of the way as they transition to school, and our doors are always open to any family in our community. By fostering these positive connections, we aim to create a space where families and children alike can flourish and grow together.
Through each smile, hug, helping hand and shared moment builds memories to last a lifetime. In this nurturing environment, every day is an opportunity to inspire, to learn and grow together. The trust and security that children feel is a testament to the strong foundation of care and support that we have built. We are all an important part of this special community of happy, healthy learners.
We develop and adapt our educational curriculum so children can construct their own knowledge from the experiences and interactions with the world around them. Educators foster children's growth and development by building on their interests, needs and strengths within a safe and caring environment. We have a culture of continuous learning for both the children and the educators. As early childhood professionals, we strive to keep up with the latest research, policies and procedures to ensure we deliver the highest quality care and education, which exceeds the Australian National Quality Standard.
Parents have trust in our educators, as demonstrated through clear, consistent communication, ensuring there is a bridge between care and home. This bond between educators, families and children creates a warm and welcoming atmosphere that fosters growth and learning. Sesame Lane Flinders Parade educators work diligently to ensure that each child feels safe, valued and encouraged to explore and discover new things.